Hey yo, it's Justin with World Adventures. Thanks for tuning in to my What to Pack in Thailand travel video. It's a 3-week trip to Thailand. I'm gonna take you through all of the things that I brought along with me on the trip. I definitely travel pretty light, so you'll notice that there's not a whole lot of things I'm bringing with me in the video. In the section below, I'll just include a list of everything that I packed on the trip as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Before you watch any further, number 1, like, and number 2, subscribe. Let's dive into it. If you're staying in hostels as I am, you're gonna need a lock. Don't be the person that brings one of these. This is not necessary. This is a gigantic lock, and you only need something small. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. This is like $5 on Amazon. 1 phone recharge battery thingy-mobob. Maybe the electricity's out at your hostel and you can't charge your phone, but thank God you have one of these puppies. 1 sleep mask to help you sleep on the plane. Earplugs. Good on the plane to sleep. Also, if you've been in a hostel and you've been in shared dorm with many people snore, so sometimes it's nice to be able to plug your ears and get a good night of sleep. This, I'm sure you know what this is. If you can guess, it's a universal charge thingy. Not every country in the world uses our outlets, so this is a way to be able to use the electricity in other countries. This is a very good purchase. This is a microfiber towel. Is super fast at drying. Some hostels will give you towels, but if they don't, it's good to have your own. And then there's that. Okay, 1 pair of headphones, 1 regular phone charger, sunglasses. This is a foldable water bottle. It's a little bulky, to be honest. This is a metal hydro flask. Don't bring this. Look at the size difference. We're saving room in our bag. Guess what is inside of my hands? It's a, believe it or not, that's actually a backpack. And you open the flap, and it actually compresses inside of itself. And when you open it up, this is your little day pack. This is all you would need for like a little day pack, so it's small. It's perfect. This is my backpack. This is an Osprey. It is the Porter 30. It's got plenty of space in it. You don't need anything larger than this. This is new. You might want to get one of these. It's actually a pillow. If you can sleep on airplanes, you might not even need this, to be honest. Like, if you're good at sleeping on airplanes, this is just gonna take up space in your bag, so don't get it. But I have trouble sleeping on airplanes, and the flight to Thailand is like 16 hours. It's actually pretty large. I will inflate it for you to see. This is the pillow, believe it or not. I'm gonna put this back out. So it looks a little strange. So you put the tray down, and then your arms go in this hole and this hole, and then this part is for your face. And then you just lean forward like this, just stick your face in it. And, there's a hole in the front. I don't know what that is for. So, okay. We got some cash monies. Yes, I like to bring like $300 in cash. Pro tip, when you're going to another country and you get to the airport, you will see all of those money exchange things all over the place. And they'll say, hey, well, you know, the currency exchange, do not go in the airport. If you didn't know this already, in airports, the things that exchange the money, they scam you. You can get an okay exchange rate, but typically speaking, you're gonna lose money. So bring some cash with you and then go to a local bank in the area that's outside of the airport, and it's gonna be a much more fair exchange rate. Also bringing my wallet, of course, with my ID and credit cards and journal. It's always good to be journaling, and a pen, of course, to write in the journal. This is something that I have not seen other people bring. A second form of ID. This is actually an expired ID. But my thought process is, worst case scenario, you lose your bag, you get robbed or something, even if it's outdated or even if it's invalid or it's expired, even if this is an expired ID, bring it anyway, it's worth it. And of course, you're not going anywhere without your passaporte. For toiletries, I have deodorant, a toothbrush, 1 small thing of shampoo, a little thing of toothpaste, tongue scraper. On to the most important part, clothing. I pack incredibly light, so stick with me here. Don't forget, you bring 6 pairs of clothes and you're wearing 1 on your body. So if you're going for 3 weeks, you can do laundry once, you can do laundry twice, but 6 pairs of underwear plus the 1 on your body. 6 shirts, 2 of them are long sleeve, the other ones are short sleeve. 2 pairs of shorts, and 1 pair of long pants. Do not bring jeans. Jeans are so heavy. 5 pairs of socks. 1 pair of shoes. They have good tread on the bottom, so you can do plenty of walking in places. And then I also have a pair of flippy floppies. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that this was helpful. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about where I bought any of these things at. If you're wondering why I'm bringing what I'm bringing, feel free to ask me. I'm a pretty light traveler, so you'll notice there isn't a whole lot of things in my bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. When you subscribe, that means when a new video comes out, you can see it. Thank you for watching. To all those who've been watching my videos, thank you for continuing to watch, and I'm excited to keep you guys along for the journey. Hopefully the next video you see will be me in Thailand.